Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
That discuss the topic of language, literacy, and numeracy. This focus discussion was attended by several participants as follows. This participant, Ms. Reri Sapitri, please you introduce yourself.
Thank you, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Reri Sapitri. You can call me Rei, and I'm from IAIN Batu Sangkar. I'm major guidance and counseling. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Reri Savitri. The next, please introduce yourself, Ms. Yola Yulfianti.
Okay, sure. My name is Yola Yulfianti. I'm from IAIN Batu Sangkar. Thank you, sure.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Yola Yulfianti. The next participant, Ms. Indri Sarifah, please introduce yourself.
Thank you, sure. I'm Indri Sarifah in IAIN Batu Sangkar. Thank you, sure.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Indri Sarifah. The next participant, Ms. Wenda Asmita, please introduce yourself.
Hello, everybody. My name is Wenda Asmita. You can call me Wenda. And I'm student in guidance and counseling in Batu Sangkar and postgraduate. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. The last participant, Madam Dila Octaviani, please introduce yourself. Madam Dila Octaviani.
Okay, thank you, sir. My name Dila Octaviana. You can call me Dila. I'm IAIN Batu Sangkar.
Okay, thanks. You are a participant. Introduce yourself. The next topic, focus group discussion. This time, language, literacy, and numeracy. And the topic, organs in daily activity. We need to focus on the discussion regarding the topic of improving literacy, language, literacy, and numeracy skill. Okay, for the STEM PR, we ask for opinion from Ms. Reri Savitri. Please, your opinion by topic.
Thank you, sir. Okay, everyone, I want to tell a few about literacy, language, and numeric. And we all know literacy, language, and numeric are the most important part of the world of knowledge. But not only education, the world of art, healthy, disparate need literacy, language, and numeric skill. And then it is necessary to improve literacy, language, and numeric skill. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Eri. Good, your opinion in the topic. The next opinion from me, Madam Dila Octaviana. Please, your opinion, Madam Dila Octaviana.
Okay, thank you, sir. My opinion, I don't agree with your opinion because reading and writing have not been deeply rooted in our national culture. People watch or listen more often than read, let alone write. We are not used to doing this based on understanding from reading or self-actualizing through writing. So, how will literacy program be successful in our country if our society tend to prefer to get information through shows such as YouTube video or other? Thank you.
Okay, thank you. A counter opinion and opinion before. Okay, the next opinion for Ms. Wenda Asmita. Please, your opinion.
Okay, so thanks a lot, sir. And I think I'm agree with opinions already. And I am so sorry. I'm not agree with Dila's opinions because literacy percent Elizabeth Soulsby is one ability to speak and communicate, where people don't just have the ability to read, but also have the ability to pay attention, to speak, and to write. From what Elizabeth has said, we know that literacy is a major factor in one developing and learning through reading. At least through reading to user in that individual skill other than knowledge, like having other skill in the field they have read or something. And I think Dila's opinions, the reason about important literacy skills. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Good, interesting your opinion, Miss Wenda. The next opinion from Miss Indri Sarifah. Please your opinion, Miss Indri Sarifah.
Thank you, sir. My opinion, not everyone like literacy, but I don't agree with Sister Reri and Wenda. Your opinion is there really a government regulation according not the theory you mentioned in family and our everyone. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thanks, Miss Indri Sarifah. That your opinion. The last opinion from Miss Yola Yusdianti. Please your opinion, Miss Yola.
Okay, sure. My opinions, I am agree with Wenda and Reri. It is very important for use to improve the language skill process by everyone in communication, such as reading, speaking, listening, and reading in different way according to their school. Thank you.
Okay, thanks. Okay, for all, thanks your opinion in the FGD. The one section, there are two interesting opinions. First, we regard to the importance of improving language literacy and numeracy skill. Secondly, there are problem is the of language literacy and numeracy skill at this time for Miss Indri and Miss Dila, Madam Dila. Of course, for a clear direction of our education, it is important for you to know what they are steps to improve these abilities and what is the solution of you solve this problem, so that we can formulate recommendation regarding improving language literacy and numeracy skill. Okay, one recommendation for Miss Reri Sapitri. Please your recommendation by improve recommendation regarding improving language literacy and numeracy skill. Please, Miss Reri Sapitri.
Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you, Mrs. Dila and Mrs. Indri. Maybe yes, Indonesian not have culture to improve literacy in language, but Indonesia did improve to skill language and skill literacy. And then we should, as people, will play a role in the world of education, take the finite step, explain to many people that by reading, writing, and knowledge increase. And we get a method about improve the language and literacy is not buried. And then this is peranan penting kita bahwasanya memang kita perlu memang memberitahu banyak orang literasi bahasa dan numerik adalah hal terpenting karena ini akan menjadi acuan untuk agar kita bisa membangun generasi bangsa untuk maju kepada tahap global. Terima kasih, thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Reri Sapitri. The next recommendation from me, Madam Dila Octaviana, please, Madam Dila.
Okay, thank you, sir. Yes, Wenda and Reri's opinion is right. But in reality, people looking for more info see you to be YouTube or video because it's faster and more practice. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, thanks, Madam Gila. The next recommendation by Sof for Miss Wenda. Please, Miss Wenda, your recommendation.
Okay, so thanks a lot, sir. And I'm recommendation. How about we discuss the importance of literacy skills? And I'm so agree with his very opinions. Okay.
Okay, thanks. The next, Miss Indri Sarifah, you comment, and the next, please, Miss Indri Sarifah.
Thanks a lot, sir. I agree with opinion Miss Dila, but because not everyone like literacy, because reading is boring compared to writing. For example, film made from original novel, more like writing the reading novel and the dog from original novel. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Miss Indri Sarifah. The next comment from Miss Yola Yofianti. Please, Yola Yofianti, in the comment the topic discussed the time.
Okay, thank you, sir. There is also in the law on the National Education System 20 of 2003. It is stated that education is carried out by developing a culture of reading and arithmetic for anyone in society. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Good opinion, good comment, good recommendation from all of participants. Okay, the next all participants, please your comment, closing statement by topic. Please, Miss Reri, closing statement by topic.
Thank you, sir. Dengan banyaknya kejadian, and I mean, this is my opinion, as a matter of fact, at this point, many people are more interested in watching movie, in Netflix, YouTube, and the many people like reading novel, banyak baca novel, and I mean, this is a method make the people interesting to improve the language and literacy with platform YouTube and maybe novel. Maybe this is my opinion. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Miss Reri. Good closing statement, interesting. Okay, all participants, please your closing statement, Miss Wenda.
Okay. My opinion, based on a survey from the Program for International Student Assessment, the literacy rating of the Indonesian people is 62 out of 70 country, and I think with a good literacy we can improve many aspects of our lives, including social improvement, education, and improve our career. The ability to examine, write, and also recognize results can greatly affect our work ability. Please improve literacy everybody and everyone. And thank you.
Okay, thank you. Good closing statement, and Ms. Wenda Asmita. Okay, the next closing statement, Ms. Indri Sarifah. Please, your closing statement.
Thank you, sir. Literacy is not success if not suffered from the government. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Indri Sarifah. Closing statement and simple and good. Okay, all participants, Madam Dila Octaviana, your closing statement.
Okay. So now the problem here is how the government really have to find a solution so that literacy is successful in our country. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. You are participant. Good opinion, good recommendation, good closing statement. Okay, for all and participant and watch in this video, focus on discussion and in the end that the focus of the discussion group this time hopefully is useful. Okay, I am moderator FTD this time. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry jika tidak pada tempat. Okay, thank you all participants. You are the best and semoga bermanfaat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you,
Untuk
sir.
Bahrain.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Ensut,
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
silakan.